Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all photos from Google Drive permanently. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Now you want to open up your Google Drive and you want to start locating all of those photos. In my case, I have this folder here called Photos 2. In your case, you want to search for those photos, whether they're in a particular folder or they just simply uploaded like that. Then you want to find those photos, right? It's very easy to do, right? And if you don't know how to find photos, let's say you have all different kind of files on your computer, you don't know if some are images, you don't know if they're videos, you don't know how to find them, and you just simply want to delete all photos permanently, you can easily go ahead and filter. So what you want to do, you want to go, for example, to, you can go to home or you can go to my drive. It doesn't matter which part you are able to basically switch between types. So you want to go, for example, on home, you will find type. You can click this drop down here and you can simply go ahead and go to photos and images, and this is going to filter all of those photos for you. And you can simply go ahead and Control A, and then it will select all of those photos for you guys, and you will be able to select and delete them by clicking the delete icon or the trash icon here on the upper left menus here. Now the next way, as I said, you can go to my drive, which I showed you. You can do the type as well, and you can switch this to photos and images, and it's going to search for all of those images on your Google Drive. And you can do the same, Control A, select all, and then simple delete. Now once you click delete here, let me go ahead and move these to trash. So it's going to click here and move to trash. It's going to delete all of those pictures. You might realize that there are more, so you can simply go ahead, Control A again, and simply go ahead and click delete again. And as you can see, it moved all of those photos that I have into trash. So here is it. You can see all of these are currently in trash. And now in order to delete all of these photos now permanently, you want to go ahead and delete all. As you can see right here, it says items in trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. You don't have to do anything. However, you can delete it right now permanently. So just go ahead and select all of those photos here in the trash, Control A, and then you will have the option at the top that says delete forever. It's right beside the number of items that are selected, and you can simply click delete forever, then click delete forever again, and guess what? All of those photos will be deleted forever from your Google Drive. And this is going to help you to free up more space. And that's it, guys. That's how to delete all photos from Google Drive permanently. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.